Greetings from Tayang News. I'm Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at Tayang News. The team of Tayang News is on the floors of Intersolar. Right now, I am at the booth of leading module production equipment supplier Mondragon Assembly, and I'm here with Xavier. So, Xavier, I think I've been attending Intersolar from so many years, and in earlier times, quite long back, I think you were promoting something like this, what we see here, and after that, in at least not in the last 2-3 Intersolars. So now you are coming up with again this. So can you explain some background?
Sure, thank you, Shravan. So yes, we are module manufacturing equipment providers, and we have been doing turnkey lines for a very long time. And in the last shows, we were showing mainly our key equipment, but we didn't stress enough our capacities on turnkey applications. So this year, we have brought this nice model here to show an example of a 1.5 gigawatt line where we can do a complete set of machines, done also all the services related to a turnkey project with all the training and all the services that are needed. Apart from our turnkey solutions for standard applications, TopCon, PERC, HJT, and any other technology, we have here also some products for our special applications.
Okay, now can you tell us more about your specialty applications production equipment?
Yeah, so we have here some examples of modules that have been built in equipment made by Mondragon Assembly, and we have a wide variety of technologies and a wide variety of applications. So we have made equipment for companies that are doing flexible modules and light modules, doing organic modules, doing building integrated applications with different gaps distance between the cells. We have done some machines to build 3D shaped modules on fiberglass with back contact technology. We have been working a lot with different research and development institutions for TopCon technology, for perovskite technology, for back contact different configurations. So apart from our mainstream module lines, we can also tailor-made or adjust the lines to do this kind of very beautiful modules that we need are also very interesting for the European market and also worldwide.
But when we talk about the production equipment, you cannot innovate every year, right? But there could be some optimizations or some fine tuning. So can you also speak about that?
Yeah, in the last year, we have been really working hard on doing, let's say, incremental optimization of our equipment. The key equipment of a module line, it's a tabler stringer, it's the interconnection technology, and there we have been really improving all the maintainability, all the accessibility of the line, the stability of the process, and doing small optimizations so the process window is as wide as possible to be able to process any kind of technology in our machines.
Okay, thank you, Xavier.
Thank you, Ran.
Thank you.
Take care.